If you're wondering how to cancel Housecall Pro, or just want to know more about the software before you decide to make that move, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the process of canceling, and I'll also give you a quick overview of what Housecall Pro offers so you can make an informed decision. Stick around until the end because I'll share an exclusive bonus that lets you try the software for free, which you don't want to miss. First off, Housecall Pro is a service management software designed for home service businesses. It helps companies streamline their scheduling, invoicing, and customer management. If you're a small business owner or service professional, it can simplify a lot of tedious tasks. But like any tool, it's not for everyone, and sometimes you might decide it's time to cancel. To cancel your Housecall Pro subscription, the process is pretty straightforward. You need to log into your account and go to your account settings. From there, navigate to the billing section. You should see an option to manage your subscription. Click on the Cancel Subscription button, and the system will ask you to confirm your decision. Keep in mind, once you cancel, you'll lose access to premium features, but you can still access basic account details. But before you hit that cancel button, let's dive into why you might want to reconsider. Housecall Pro offers a lot of value for businesses in the home services industry. From job scheduling to invoicing and even payment processing, it covers a lot of the essential tasks that small business owners struggle with. It also integrates well with platforms like QuickBooks, making accounting much easier. Plus, Housecall Pro has a mobile app that's handy for on-the-go service pros. So, if you're thinking about canceling, make sure you've fully considered your needs. Maybe there's a specific feature you're not using to its full potential, or you haven't explored all the integrations that could make your workflow smoother. If you do decide to cancel, remember that Housecall Pro offers a 30-day trial. That means if you haven't used it for a full month yet, you may still be able to explore all its features and make a more informed decision. And hey, if you're still unsure, you can always reach out to their support team to discuss your cancellation or even request a refund, depending on your situation. Now, if you're looking for an alternative, there are other service management tools out there, but none that offer quite the same level of integration across billing, scheduling, and customer service as Housecall Pro. Whether it's the free version of the app or the premium features, Housecall Pro definitely has something to offer. However, if it's just not for you, there are other options, and you can explore those after canceling. Finally, if you're on the fence and you haven't tried Housecall Pro yet, you can actually use it completely for free through the link below. We've partnered with Housecall Pro to give you exclusive access to a free trial, and you won't find this deal anywhere else. You can try the premium features without committing to a subscription, which is perfect if you want to explore the software and see if it fits your needs before making a decision. So, whether you're ready to cancel or just curious about what Housecall Pro has to offer, you can check it out using the link below for your exclusive bonus and extended free trial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.